This tree cutting trick is pure genius. First, he makes a deep V-shaped notch on the side where the tree should fall. Then, he cleans and shapes that cut to control the direction perfectly. Now comes the smart part. He cuts 2 parallel lines deep into the trunk and removes a small square block from the bottom, connecting those cuts. This creates a hidden hinge inside the tree. Finally, he cuts from the opposite side. As the cut reaches the hinge, the tree slowly leans and drops exactly where planned. Perfect control and almost zero chance of error.